Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng iyong person on your mind, in separation man or with connection pa, no? Sorry, medyo mausok tayo nagke-cleansing lang ako ng surroundings, no, right? And let's see anong sitwasyon meron kayo ng iyong person, no? Whoever it is, in separation man or with connection pa, no? Basta whoever is the person on your mind, no? Mga fire sign. And of course, self-care advice for this week, no? So, tignan din natin. And of course, last is overall message or advice from the universe, no? So, let's see mga fire signs, no? Tignan natin anong merong sitwasyon sa inyo ng iyong person, no? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, no? So, let's start pala kay Aries pala, sorry. Kay Aries, no? So, tignan natin, Aries, no? Kamusta ka dyan? So, tignan natin anong merong sitwasyon sa inyo ng person mo, no? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Aries. So, sa sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person, right? So, tignan natin yan. So, anong meron? So, meron dito, the timing is, the timing just wasn't right for us, no? So, meron dito, no, parang sinasabi dito, mga Aries, no, meron ditong parang literal na parang sinasabi is pinagtagpo pero hindi tinadhana, no? Something like that, no? So, hindi raw right time, no? Yung pag-meet nyo ng person na ito, no? Something like that, no? So, let's see what else. So, you have this, dito ko nga to, para makita nyo. Nakikita nyo ba? So, So, you have this, I'm starting to understand our connection, no? So, no? Kumbaga, naiintindihan naman nyo, no? Both of you na this is really not the right time for the both of you, no? So, may maling panahon ba, no? Something like that. And the other one is, just being near you is intoxicating. So, talagang tanggap nyo na, no? Both of you, Aries, ay tanggap nyo ng iyong person na hindi talaga tama ito para sa inyo. Itong time na ito, itong panahon na ito, no? That's why may paglayo na rito, no? So, you decided na lumayo na lang sa isa't isa, no? Something like that, no? So, I hope naririnig nyo ako kasi iba yung mic na ginagamit natin right now, no? So, I hope na malinaw yung aking pagsasalita, right? No? So, meron dito, no, na yun nga ay may paglayo na dito sa person na ito or both of you decided to, ayun nga, ay lumayo, no, sa isa't isa, no, dahil nga hindi tama, no? Something like that, no? So, I think for me is wala naman kayong label with this person, right? No? So, kaya parang hindi naman ganun. Although may hurt feelings dito, but then you are accepting, no? Both of you na hindi tamang panahon. That's why you are choosing to do the right thing, no? Something like that, mga Aries, no? So, So, ito yung nakikita kong sitwasyon sa inyo ng iyong person right now. So, tignan naman natin anong self-care advice for you for this week, no, mga Aries. So, kuha din tayo dito ng 1 card for you, Aries. So, self-care advice from the universe, no, for this week na pwede nyong gawin for this week. So, kuha tayo ng 1 card. Ang hirap. Parang nahihirapan ako sa iyo, Aries, no? So, ito. So, 1 card for you, Aries. Self-care advice for this week. So ano kaya yan? Tignan natin. So, you have this, be still, no? So, So, wait lang tignan ko lang maigi. Be still, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, no, ni Universe, Aries, na just be, kumbaga kung nasaan ka man ngayon is be still lang, kumbaga stay put, no? Something like that, no? So, kumbaga ito makikita mo parang natutulog ka rito, no? Or, yeah, while sleeping is be still lang, kumbaga parang just relax, no? Kala mo lang siguro ay medyo exhausted ka right now, but then, kumbaga, parang naiisip mo is sobrang ang dami ng mga nakaka-stress sa paligid, no? Something like that, no? So, maybe ang magiging relaxation mo rito is while sleeping, nakakakuha ka ng peace of mind, no, Aries, no? So, yeah, maybe nga may mga dreams ka din, no? So, maybe sa iyong dreams ay, yeah, kumbaga, ayan, no, di ba may mga stars, no? So, maybe pwede ka ring, halimbawa ay at night, no? So, pwede kang, ang relaxation mo rin for this week is to lie down sa labas ng kung meron kayong garden or kung meron man kayong, 'di ba, may gate before kayo lalabas, pwedeng ba before sleeping, kumbaga parang be grounded at night, no? Parang meditation din 'to outside, no? But then parang sinasabi rito siguro ay wala kayong time to go out somewhere else, no, to have this meditation around, no? So, ang pwede nyong gawin is pwede nyo kaya halimbawa kahit sa bahay nyo lang, kung may time at night, labas kayo, even dyan lang sa may pintuan, relax, or kung pwedeng humiga kayo, something like that, or kahit umupo lang kayo, then look at the stars at night, no, something like that, no. Parang kahit at night you can see a rainbow, no, with that, no. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, even while you are sleeping, you're having this relaxation, no? Nare-relax yung mind and body mo, no? So, for some of you. So, kumbaga, parang, and also with the dreams, no? So, kumbaga, kung ano yung may mga napapanaginipan kayo, Aries, no? For some of you, may message yun, no? Something like that. So, you have to be aware, no? You have to be, aware of your dreams then, no? For some of you, maybe there is a message regarding your dreams, no? So, maybe, meron kinalaman sa iyong creativity because of the rainbow. I see this as your creativity, no? Mga Aries, no? So, merong kinalaman yan. So while you're sleeping, you can relax yourself, no? And then while relaxing, having this peace of mind while sleeping, just be still and be aware of your dreams, no? So merong message yan sa iyo, no? So yeah. So ayan yung self-care mo, no? Self-care mo is kahit hindi ka na lumabas ng bahay, nandiyan ka lang sa loob. Kung hindi ka makalabas talaga as in pumunta somewhere else to have this, relaxation, baka busy kayo the whole day, so walang time talaga, no? So, maybe at night, before you sleep, no? Pwedeng lumabas kayo saglit, tingin kayo sa stars, no? Something like that, and after that, you can go back to your bed have this sleep, no? So, makakapag-relax yun sa inyo, no? And it will give you more ideas for your creativities, kung ano man itong mga naiisip mo. Maybe from the stars while looking at the stars is makakatulong to enhance your creativity, and of course while you are sleeping, no? Something like that, no, mga Aries, no? So, ayan yung self-care nyo for this week, no, mga Aries. So, ito yung sinasabi sa inyo ni Universe. And so, let's see what's the overall advice for you or message from the Universe, no, Aries, no? So, kuha tayo dito ng one card for you, Aries. one card for the overall advice or message from the universe, no? So, tignan natin yan. Anong overall advice or message for you maybe this week, no? Pwede naman din, basta, kasi naman, everyday naman we need advices, no? So, mga pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, right? No? So, tignan natin yan. What's the overall message or advice? No? So, healing, no? For some of you, Aries, or yeah, most of you, no, sinasabi sa inyo dito ni Universe, ang advice sa iyo is healing, no? So, maybe you are in a healing process right now, no, mga Aries, no? So, continue healing lang, no? And for some of you, literally is, kung makikita nyo, you have this urn, no? May hawak kayong urn dito. So, for some of you, maybe, just recently, someone you love is passed away, no? So, really, you are in a you are grieving right now, no, mga Aries, no? So, yeah, just take your time, no? So, yeah, maybe kaya nga siguro hindi din kayo lumalabas ng bahay right now because you are grieving, no? So, you are mourning, no? Something like that because someone you love is passed away, no? Something like that, no? So, just take your time, no, mga Aries, and yeah, eventually, no, ma-overcome nyo rin tong loneliness na nararamdaman nyo right now because it's a natural feeling really because kapag someone is passed away, no, so for some of you, and for some of you naman is literally you are in a healing process, maybe you just want to relax, no, something like that. Maybe you you had you had top weekend, no, this weekend, no. Yeah, kailangan niyo lang ng pahinga, no, something like that, no. So medyo siguro pagod na rin kayo within this week, maybe sa mga work nyo, no, something like that, kung ano man yung mga pinagkakaabalahan nyo sa araw-araw, no. So you just need to rest, no, something like that, no. So ito talaga yung sinasabi sa inyo ni Universe, no, from our source, no, from God niya. So yeah, ito yung message sa inyo and or advice from you, no, for you, Aries, no. So yeah, so I hope may naka-resonate kayo dito, Aries, no. So yeah, thank you for watching, Aries, no. So let's proceed naman. And yeah, of course, God bless you all, no, mga Aries. And so yeah, let's proceed naman kay Leo, no? So, kamusta mga Leo natin dyan? Kamusta kayo, Leo? How are you, mga Leo, no? So, let's see anong sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person right now, whoever it is, nasa isip mo, no, Leo. And of course, self-care advice for this week and overall message or advice from the universe, no? So, yeah, let's see mga Leo natin dyan. So, shuffle ko lang tong cards nyo, Leo. So, kasi ginamit natin kay Aries, right? No? So, tingnan natin. Shuffle ko lang yung inyong cards. So, ano kayang sitwasyon meron sa mga Leo natin right now, no? So, with their person, no? Person on your mind, mga Leo natin. So, yeah, tignan natin. So, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Leo, no? Para sa message. Situation ninyo ng iyong person right now, no? Whoever it is. So, 3 cards for you. So, tingnan natin. So, ano kayang sitwasyon meron sa mga Leo natin ngayon, no? Universe, no? Ano kayang meron sa mga Leo? So, let's see. Ano meron? So, I hope naririnig niyo ako again, no, mga Leo. So, just, lakasan nyo ang inyong pandinig. I don't know kung malinaw ang aking boses, no? So, yeah. Finding out the truth crushed me, no? So, meron dito, mga Leo, no? So, ang sitwasyon ng for some of you, Leo, ay something found out, no? So, there is revelation happened, no? And it crushed the heart of someone, no? Kung sino man sa inyo yung medyo nagulat or nasaktan with that revelation na nalaman, no? Something like that, no, mga Leo. So, let's see what else. So, you have this, it's time for me to heal now, no? So, yan, no, may kinalaman talaga yun dito sa inyong, kay Aries pala yun, no? So, yan, no, parang connected din talaga kayo kasi, fire elements kayo, no? So, yeah, meron din talaga dito, no, it's time to heal now, no? So, talagang merong healing na nangyayari dito, no? Merong nasasaktan or may nasaktan, no? With the connection, no? So, what else? Yeah, I am grateful for the spiritual lesson, no? So, yeah, for some of you, Leo, no? So, one of you are just being grateful, no? Maybe ang iyong partner is a very spiritual person, right? No? So, kaya nagpapasalamat kayo sa kanya because marami kayong natutunan with your partner regarding the spiritual, no? So, siguro ay before ay hindi kayo masyadong into spirituality, but then something happened, no? And then your person na ganun nga ay or yeah, vice versa tayo lagi rito, no? So pwedeng ikaw din ito or pwedeng yung person mo rin, right? No? So take what's resonate kung saan kayong side lang, no? So yeah. So yeah, meron dito sa inyong situation ng iyong person is I think there is a separation, no, na happened for the both of you, or maybe there a misunderstanding, no, something like that. Kasi may na-reveal no, something like that, may na-reveal and may nasaktan, and right now whoever is that na nasaktan is in healing process right now, no? So yeah, and then the other one and the other hand naman, I mean dun sa isang person naman na kadil na who is, 'di ba, may isang nasaktan, and then yung pwede rin naman kasi kung sino yung nasaktan, whoever, kung sino man, sabi ko nga kung saan lang kayong side makaka-resonate ng mga Leo, no? So, you are being grateful, no? Because, for the spiritual lesson, no? So, again, sabi ko nga, maybe, for some of you, Leo, ay pwedeng ikaw to who is into spirituality or your person, right? And then, whoever the one na, ay being grateful, no? So, nagpapasalamat siya dahil marami siyang natutunan regarding na spirituality. Siguro, na-enlighten tong person na to because of the spirituality na mga lessons, no? Wisdoms na mga nakuha niya sa kanyang person, something like that, no? So, nagpapasalamat siya, no? But then, on the other hand, is masakit because there is a separation, no? So, maybe, something is not meant to be, no? Hindi talaga para sa isa't isa, but then, the person is being grateful because of the spiritual lesson that he learned, no? Something like that, no? So yun, kumbaga, marami siyang magagandang memories din with the person na may natutunan siya, no? Something like that, no, mga Leo. So, kung saang side kayo doon, no? So, yeah. So, let's see naman, no? Anong self-care advice for you this week ni Universe, mga Leo? So, again, i-shuffle lang natin tong ating cards, no? Shuffle lang natin. So, yeah, again, sana naririnig nyo ako ng maayos, no? So, shuffle lang natin. Self-care advice for you, Leo, for this week, no? Na pwede mong gawin this week, no? Self-care advice, no? So, let's see. Kuha tayo dito ng one card for you, Leo. One card for you. Self-care advice ni Universe for you, Leo. So, one card. Kuha tayo. One card for Leo, please, Universe. So, yeah. Thank you. So, tignan natin. Ano yan? So, yeah. Tignan natin. Make a meal, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni ni universe, no, Leo, na maybe mahilig kayo magluto, no, for some of you, Leo, no. So dito kayo nakakakuha ng peace of mind, or for some of you nare-relax kayo na sa pagluluto, no, something like that, no. Maybe this past few days ay dahil nga exhausted kayo, maybe, yeah, parang wala kayong masyadong kumbaga parang feeling nyo ay parang ayaw nyong kumilos, something like that, no. So siguro etong ginagawa nyo lagi, nagluluto kayo, hindi nyo siya nagagawa sa mga this past few days. So right now, no, so makikita mo rito, for some of you, maybe may tattoo kayo, no, mga Leo, no. So for some of you, no, with this, makikita mo. Or for some of you are mahilig tumingin din sa moon, no, something like that, because may moon dito, no. So pwede rin yan na ang relaxation nyo for this week is at night, tingin kayo, maybe kasi right now ay nag-uulan sa atin, no. So for example, for this week, baka pagka meron na kayong makitang moon, tingin lang kayo, no, sa langit, no, something like that. So it will help you, no, relax your mind and soul, no, something like that. Or on the other hand is make a meal, no. So kumbaga parang malibang din kayo, no, something like that, no. So luto kayo, kung ano yung gusto niyo kainin niyo, no, kasi it will help you boost your your mind and soul, no. Ma-less yung stress, your depression, because some of you are in a healing process right now, no. So yeah, so ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, self-care for this week, no. Advice for you ni universe is really is to for some of you is to rest, no, for some of you, and for some of you naman is makakatulong sa inyo maka-recover is magluto kayo, no. Kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin, no, something like that, go lang, no. Kung anong gusto nyong kainin, lutuin nyo, gawin nyo, no. Makakatulong yun para maka-recover kayo, no. Something like that, mga Leo, no. So let's see naman anong overall advice or message for you ni universe, no. Again, i-shuffle ko lang to, Leo, no. So overall advice or message for you, Leo, ni universe. So let's see, no, overall advice or message for you, Leo. So kuha rin again tayo ng one card for you, Leo. Kuha tayo ng one card for you. So na-open ko. So yan, no, nakita ko na siya. So wait lang. So ang overall advice sa'yo ay, or message, no. So you have this leadership, no. So Leo, no, so sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe, message for you. This is a message, no. So I don't see this as an advice. I see this as a message for you, Leo, no. So sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe, Leo, is literally, no, you are a leader daw, no. You are capable to lead people, no. So wag kang panghinaan ng loob, Leo, no. So maybe you are a speaker for some of you, nagsasalita kayo, no, in front of people around you, no. Maybe ay boss kayo sa isang company, no, something like that, no. Overall, you have this leadership, no. You have this skills to lead the people, no, something like that. Whenever you are speaking, no, the way you speak is ay nakikinig sa inyo yung mga tao, no, something like that, mga Leo, no. So you have this special skills of you, no. So wag kang mahihiya to show it, no. So show up your skills, no, something like that, regarding your the way you speak, no. Through your speaking is marami kang nai-influensahan, you are influencing people around you the way you speak, no. You have this potential for the people to listen to you, no, while you are speaking. So just continue this what you are doing right now, Leo, no. So maybe marami kasing nakikinig sa'yo, no? Whenever you are speaking ay talagang nakikinig yung mga tao sa'yo, no? So, that's what I see here, no, Leo. So, ito ang message sa'yo ni Universe, Leo, no? So, I hope ay naka-resonate ka with this reading for you, Leo. So, yeah. God bless you, Leo. And yeah, thank you for watching, Leo. So, yeah, let's proceed naman kay Sagittarius, no? So, wait lang. So, kamusta ang mga Sagittarius natin, no? Kamusta kayo, Sag, no? Anong meron sa mga Sag natin dyan? So, again, no, tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng iyong person on your mind. In connection man or in separation na kayo, no? Whoever it is na nasa isip mo. And of course, self-care advice for this week. And last but not the least, of course, is yung message or advice for you ni Universe, no, mga Sag, no? So, let's see. Anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng iyong person? So, i-shuffle ko lang to again, no? Because ginamit natin kay Leo yung cards. So, tignan natin. Sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person right now, no? Sitwasyon ng mga Sag natin, please, Universe, no? Ano kayang sitwasyon meron sa mga Sag with their person, no? Sino man ang nasa inyong isip right now, no, mga Sag. So, yeah, tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Sag. So, 3 cards. 3 cards for you, Sag, no? So, for the situation mo sa iyong person. So, yeah. 1 and 2 and last one. So, tignan natin to. So, yeah, no? Tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron sa mga Sag right now. Anong meron sa mga sitwasyon ninyo. So, yan, no, kaparehas din no, mostly, no, talaga kasi fire elements kayo, no, so halos pare-parehas kayo ng nararanasan right now, no, so meron ka din dito, Sag, no, it's time for me to heal now, no, so for some of you talaga ay talagang maybe you are being so exhausted, no, really, no, so kaya talagang kailangan nyo ng matinding pahinga rito, no, mga Sag, no, or overall fire elements, no, fire signs, no. So, what else? I wonder if you are happy without me. So, it's a confirmation there is a separation here, no. So, that's why you are healing or your person is healing or both of you, yes, of course, is healing right now because there is a separation happened, no. So, what else? You have this, I am afraid to contact you, no? So, yeah, it's really a confirmation that there is a separation happened, no? So, hindi na kayo nag-uusap ng tao na ito, no, Sag, no? So, right now, both of you are in a healing process, but still, thinking of each other, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito with the, I wonder if you are happy without me, no? So, one of you are thinking or both of you is thinking if masaya ba kayo sa masaya ba na wala ang isa't isa, no? So, kung baga malayo kayo sa isa't isa, but then hindi kayo nag-uusap nito, no? But I really feel this strongly na recently lang ito. Hindi pa siya matagal na hindi kayo nag-uusap, no? So, yeah, parang I feel na hindi naman totally separation ito, no, Sag, no? Parang hindi lang kayo nag-uusap, parang meron lang kayong misunderstanding. I don't know what it is, no? But then, I strongly feel na hindi kayo totally, officially separated, no? So, meron lang tampuhan dito, Sag, no? So, hindi lang kayo nag-uusap, no? So, may tampuhan lang talaga rito, no? So, yan, no, ito yung nakikita ko. So, maybe, nagkaroon ng arguments, conflicts, no, nagkaroon ng mga, yun nga, ay nagkaroon kayo ng, yeah, again, arguments, no, so, kaya, parang may healing, no, para lang, kumbaga ay, nagpapalamig lang, no? Something like that, no? So, may nagpapalamig lang kayo, or you're giving space to each other, no? So, something like that, no? So, but then, natatakot kayong mag-contact or mag-message sa isa't isa, no? Dahil nga siguro ay sa mga pinag-awayan nyo, no? But I think there is no separation here and you are still wanting each other, no? So, naghihintayan lang kayo na mag-message, no? Kung sinong mauunang mag-message. So, ang nakikita ko dito is you are dealing with the ego, no? Parehas kayo ng person mo, no? Ego yung nangunguna rito, no? That's why ay hindi kayo nag-uusap because of the ego, no? Mga Sag, no? So, Sagittarius, no? So, yeah. So, maybe if you are this Sagittarius or maybe cross-watchers na who are dealing with a Sagittarius, no? Something like that. And you are with no contact right now, no? So, maybe, ikaw na lang din yung mauna if ayaw mo naman din talagang totally ay lumala tong issue na to. Something like that. So, ikaw na lang din yung maunang kumontak, no? So, for some of you, no? So, para matapos na rin yung issue, pag-usapan nyo na lang ng mas kalma, no? Kasi nga ay, kumbaga, nagkakaroon kayo ng arguments, nagka-clash kayo ng iyong person, Sag, no? So, yeah, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, Sagittarius, no? So, tignan naman natin anong self-care advice for you, Sag, no? For this week, no? Na pwede mong gawin, no? Self-care advice for you this week, mga Sag. Tignan natin. I-shuffle ko lang again ang iyong cards, no, mga Sag. Shuffle lang natin ang iyong cards. So, tingnan natin. One more shuffle, no. What's the self-care advice for you, Sag, no? So, kuha tayo ng one card for you dito, Sag. One card for the Sagittarius, no? So, your self-care advice for this week. Parang medyo na-intense ako dito sa iyong self-care, no? Ano kaya ito, Sag? So, yan, no? Pare-pares talaga kayo, no? Kasi because really is, you are this fire signs, no? So, katulad rin kanina kay, kay Leo, no? Ito din yung, I think kay Leo ba yun, no? So, be still, no? So, sinasabi rito, self-care advice mo for this week as Sagittarius is, be still. Kumbaga, your self-care advice for this week is, even while you are sleeping, no? Nare-relax mo yung body mo, no? Something like that, no? Or maybe ang meditation mo is under the night sky. Pwede, makaka-relieve to sa iyo. And then think of your creative ideas, something like that while meditating, no? At night, no? Parang mas malakas yung iyong creativeness, no? Kapag sa gabi, no? Even though kasi makikita mo rito, 'di ba, may mga stars and then may rainbow, no? So, something like that, no? So, ang rainbow kasi, di ba, pag sa gabi naman, wala naman tayong nakikitang rainbow, right? But then, for me, I see this, your creativeness mind, no? Your mindful, creative, no? May creativeness ka, no? Inulit-ulit ko lang, no? So, ito yung nakikita ko dito sa rainbow, no? So, ang relaxation mo ay I think is kapag ka nag-iisip ka, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng mga something playfulness sa iyong isip, no? So parang mas nare-relax ka kapag marang may naiisip-isip ka, no, mga Sag, no? So you are being playful sa iyong mind, no? So So, continue mo lang yan, no? So, ito yung mas nakakapagbigay ng peace of mind sa'yo, no? Kapag ka nag-i-imagine ka ng mga bagay-bagay, no? Something like that, no? Kasi nga, very, very playful ang iyong mind rito, with the rainbow. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Parang mas nare-relax ka kapag ka nag-i-imagine ka, no? With your creative mind, no? Madami kang naiisip, no, something like that, no, mga Sag, no. So again, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, self-care advice for this week, no. So, continue mo lang yan, no, kasi napaka-playful ng iyong mind, no. Marami kang nabi-vision, no, something like that, Sag, no. So yeah. So, I hope naka-resonate ka with this, no. So, gawin mo lang daw yan, no, within this week, no. So, maybe may makukuha ka pang magandang mga ideas, you can apply it in your self, no? In your reality, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan naman natin anong overall advice or message for you ni Universe, Sag, no? So, tignan natin. Overall message or advice for you, Sag. So, again, i-shuffle ko lang to ulit, no? Shuffle lang natin, Sag, ang iyong cards. So, what's the overall message or advice for you, Sag? Ni Universe, no? Ng ating source. Ni God, of course. So, kuha tayo dito ng one card for you, mga Sag natin dyan. Kuha tayo ng one card. So ito na yung cards nyo. So, ano kaya yan? Parang, hindi ko alam, no? Kinakabahan ako sa inyo, mga Sag, no? There is an intense palpitation, no? Something like that, no? Parang kinakabahan ba kayo ngayon, no? Something, merong kinakabahan dito, no? So, ano ito? So, unplug, no? Advice for you, no, ni Universe sa'yo, Sag, is to unplug. What's this? Meaning is to disconnect muna, no? Disconnect with the social media, disconnect with people around you, no? Maybe this week, or maybe gawin mo to kung may work ka within weekdays, pwede mo siyang gawin with this coming weekend, no? Sa ito. Or maybe ngayon, no? Kung mapanood mo to ng mas maaga, kung may time ka pa, no? Disconnect ka muna. People, parang totally disconnect with the world, no? Go on with yourself muna. Kung makikita mo, parang you need to have this vacation with yourself lang, no? Alone time with yourself, no, mga Sagittarius, no? Parang kailangan nyo daw nito, no? Sinasabi sa iyo ni Universe is have this alone time, no? Siguro meron kayong mga mabibigat na pinag-iisip. That's why na ang nase-sense ko is yung mind nyo ay parang full of marami kayo kasing iniisip, no, Sag, no? So, maybe, mas mapapag-isip-isip kayo ng mas maayos. Siguro, may mga gusto kayong gawin, something like that, no? Or meron kayong, for some of you, may mga kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan, something like that. And then, because of your surroundings right now, hindi kayo makapag-isip ng maayos. So, ina-advise sa'yo dito ni Universe is to disconnect muna, no? With the people around you, disconnect with social media, something like that, even just for a while, para makapag-isip kayo, whatever it is, no, mga Sag, no? So, makapag-decide kayo ng maayos, no? Have this alone time with yourself, no? Only with yourself, of course. Punta kayo sa isang lugar, no, na makakapag-isip kayo ng mabuti. Or even sa bahay nyo lang, no, disconnect kayo, kumbaga, wag muna kayong makipag-usap, no? Even just for a day, no? Something like that. Kasi I think parang meron kayong kailangang pagdesisyonan dito, Sag, no? Parang nagugulo yung isip nyo rito, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nase-sense ko dito sa inyo, Sag, no? So, you really need to have this alone time for you, no? Para makapag-isip-isip ka ng maayos, and for you to decide really what is really for you to decide really kung ano yung kailangan mong pagdesisyonan kung meron kang dapat gawin, no? Something like that, no? So, ito yung nakikita ko dito, Sag, no? So, yeah, no? So, I hope naka-resonate ka dito, Sag, no? So yeah, thank you for watching, Sag, no? So, again, for you all, no, mga fire signs natin, no, Aries, Leo, Sag, no? So, I hope ay naka-resonate kayo with your readings right now, no? So, take what's resonate only and leave those who that are not resonating with you, no? Maybe that messages is for others, no? So, wag lahat kasi marami tayong nakukuhang energies, right, no? So, kung ano lang yung nakaka-relate sa inyo sa mga messages na sinasabi rito, no? So, ng inyong mga cards, right, ni universe, no? So, overall is si universe naman, and of course yung mga angels ninyo na sila yung nagdi-deliver din ng message from the universe, no, para makuha ng mga cards natin, right, no? So yeah, that's it for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, no? So thank you for watching, and yeah, God bless you all, fire signs. Yeah, and again, thank you for watching, fire signs.